This video is about kayaking at downtown Portland on the Willamette River. If you have not done that, I would recommend you to try that this coming summer. There are many places to launch my boat in downtown. I like to use the boat dock near Armsy because I can have free parking during the weekends. Besides, I can use the restrooms at Armsy. I usually park on Water Avenue. Please pay attention to the signs when parked. The parking restrictions are mainly for Monday to Friday. My boat is light and is around 20 pounds. Therefore, I can carry that from my car to the dock. You can unload your boats at this parking lot and then move your boats down the long metal ramp. The ramp is about 5 feet wide, so it is easy to move your boats to the dock. This dock is also the home to the Portland Wasabi Paddling Club, which they have dragon boats. They usually practice on Saturday mornings, and the dragon boats will often leave the dock before 9 a.m. I arrived after 9 and avoided the crowd. From this dock, you can see the Audrey McCall Beach. Sometimes people launch their boats from that rocky beach. The dock sometimes had another section, which is longer and wider. However, when I visited the dock in late September last year, that section of the dock wasn't there anymore. The dock is a little bit narrow, since there were only a few people there and I was able to unfold and set up my boat easily. This foldable boat takes about 15 hours to build and costs around $100. If you're interested in building this boat, I have the plan on my website and also YouTube videos to show you how to build this boat. My trip was to paddle a short distance towards the Ross Island. I passed by the submarine Blue Back. It is 219 feet long and 29 feet wide. I paddled to that dock and checked if I can launch my boat from that dock. The dock is fenced off at the middle. Part of it is for the sub. The other side seems to be available and the gate to that part of the dock is open. If you have used that dock, please let me know. Even though Portland's downtown is not as exciting as downtown Seattle or the San Francisco Bay, but the scenery is still very enjoyable. I will do a trip to the north part of the river, that is towards the waterfront park in June during the Rose Festival, and I should be able to see a number of naval ships. When you use that part of the river, please also check for the advisory. This is especially important if you have pets and children. In this case, is to avoid drinking water from the river. If you find this video useful, please give me a thumbs up. Please also subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified when I upload my next video. See you at the river. Bye bye.